Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Law of Physics. In this video we are going to learn about how to find the radius and velocity in the nth orbit if you consider hydrogen atom. So according to Bohr's postulates, we know that mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So here velocity is in the nth orbit, radius is of the nth orbit, n is called principal quantum number and h is called Planck's constant. So we are basically talking about this hydrogen atom which has got a nucleus, and let us say the electron is in the first orbit. The first orbit is also called the ground orbit. It can go to higher states also depending upon the excitation energy. So here n is equal to 1, here n is equal to 2, this n is these values, alright. So this is one equation we have with us. Now the second equation can be like when the electron is rotating in a orbit, it will have a centripetal force mv square by r, because any object which is rotating in a circular path will have a centripetal force, but here the centripetal force is because of the electrostatic force between the electron and the nucleus. Nucleus is totally filled with positive charges. Nucleus has neutrons and protons, and neutrons have no charge but protons have positive charge. So we can write this electrostatic formula K ZE square by R square. Basically it is Q1 into Q2. Q2 is electron, Q1 will be Z times E. So here we are getting one expression. We can find out R from here. So R will be equal to KZE square by mv square. This is my equation 2. So put 2 in 1. So I am going to get mv r in the place of r, write down this mv square is equal to nh by 2 pi. So m cancel, 1 v cancel. So v will be equal to cross multiply k z e square 2 pi divided by nh. Okay, so we can take out all these constants, k e square 2 pi by h multiplied by z by n. So we can say v is proportional to z by n. So this constant, if you calculate, no, the constant value will be c by 140. Now c, you know already, c value is 3 into 10 power 8. So if you calculate this constant value, no, it will come approximately c by 140. You can remember this value, or you can also remember the relationship on which the questions will be asked. Once we find the v value, we can find out the r value. So because we got this equation for v, let us put back into the r equation. So r will be equal to nh by 2 pi into mv. So nh divided by 2 pi m into v. So v is 2k e square pi divided by h into z by n. So take h to the numerator, this becomes n, h square 2 pi m, another 2k is there, e square pi z. So you can see here that this rest everything is constant. We can bring out the constant terms, 2 pi into m into 2k e square pi multiplied by n by z. Okay, so this is the r value. So if you calculate this, whatever I have written under the bracket, this value you can call it as r0, or the first radius of Bohr, Bohr's atomic model. You will get approximately 0.529 angstroms. Okay, and one important relationship you are getting here is that r is proportional to n by z. This you have to remember for solving the problems. Okay, so like this I am going to bring some interesting videos which will clear your concepts. If you have any doubts regarding any topic, you can send comment, or you can send me on WhatsApp. I'll try to answer them. My channel name is Law of Physics. If you like the video, share it with your friends, and spread the knowledge, spread the love across, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.